This 2014 Tiffin Allegro Red 33A is a Class A RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2014 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA is built on a Freightliner RED chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.